I'm Anil Kumar, and here is a test question on Introduction to Calculus. The question is, use the definition of continuity at a point to show that the function y equals to 1 over x is continuous at the point x equals to 2. So that's the question for you. You can pause the video and solve the question. Now here, as you know, 1 over x is a reciprocal function, which you can kind of sketch like this. So I'm just making a rough sketch here and we'll discuss that further. So that is how the function looks like. Okay. Now here we are interested in finding out whether the function is continuous at 2 or not. Let us say this is the value 2, right? So if this is 2, 1 over 2 is half. So the y value will be half for us. We need to figure out whether the function is continuous at this point P or not. So how are you going to prove it? When you look at it, it looks obvious, right? I know that it's not continuous at 0. We have a vertical asymptote here. But we are talking about the point x equals to 2. Now to show that a function is continuous at a point, we have few specific rules which we should follow. First one is that the limit of the function should, as you approach the point 2, should be valid, right? So the limit of this function, which is 1 over x, should exist, right? So it should exist. That is first thing. Second thing is the value of the function at 2 should exist, right? And the third thing is that the limit as x approaches 2 for the function, let me write f of x, okay, or even 2, should be equals to the value of the function. So these two should exist and they should be equal. So this is what we really want to prove, correct? So let us first find the limit of the function at x equals to 2. So these are the steps which you have to go through. It's a communication question to get all marks, right? So first thing is, first you calculate limit of this function as x approaches 2 and the function is 1 over x. So since we can substitute and get our answer, so if I substitute, what do I get? I get this limit as equals to 1 over 2, right? That is clear. Now the second part is find the value of the function f of 2, right? So f of 2 in this will be 1 over 2, right? So that is also for us 1 over 2. Since the limit and the value is same, we say the function is continuous. So we say since the limit at x equals to 2 is the same as the value of function at 2, the function is continuous at x equals to 2. So that is how you have to prove it. I hope the steps are absolutely clear. Thank you and all the best.